how you do, you just push this thing right here, right? Push it up, open, and put the case inside. This is the case right here. This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just gonna put the case inside like this and close. And when you're done, bam, you heard that click? That means the phone is clicked. But to be honest with you guys, the phone is really big. And today I'm gonna review newer iPhone 15 Pro Max aluminum phone case right here. This one right here, this is my favorite iPhone case, I'll be honest with you. So today I'm just gonna go and show you exactly how it looks like. I'm gonna put on my iPhone and see how it looks, and I'll get back to you. So let's open this case. Let's see what you get inside. You got some paperwork, some cases. Say do not eat this. It's basically it. So this is what you get. This is for the case. This is for the lens. Let's open this up to show you. Just in a moment. The reason why I got this is because of the lens, right? This is for the lens, and I just saw it online and I really like it. And also the reason I got this is because of the lens and also the ND filter. Like you gotta do this. By the way, I'm gonna show you some ND filter that I got. I'm gonna compare it and make sure you tune in. Make sure you ring your bell notification so you know exactly when the video is dropping in. This is the case right here. Voila. It looks beautiful. Got some weird stuff. And another reason I got this, guys, is because look at the cold shoe. It's got a lot of things to put it on. Like you can see. Let me see if I can bring it up close. Look how many stuff you got. I mean, every place you turn in, you got some cold shoe inside. Something you can mount. So I really like this. And the reason why I got it, I have two ND filter here. One is from KF Concept and one is from NEEWER, right? This is the two products. That's the reason why I got this. The ND filter. I really want to improve my video, so let's see how it's gonna look like. And how you do, you just push this thing right here, right? Push it up, open, and put the case inside. This is the case right here. This is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Just gonna put the case inside like this and close. And when you're done, bam, you heard that click? That means the phone is clicked. But to be honest with you guys, the phone is really big. I mean, look how huge it is. It's almost like a 1.5 now, right? But let's see how it's gonna look like. So I got my stuff here, and the ND filter, you just have to put, it's showing you like exactly how to do it. Do it like this, and it shows you how to push that little thing right there. You can see it. So I'm gonna go and push it in. Let's hear it. I didn't hear no noise. Oh, I see. Okay. So you gotta push this one here for it to be locked up, right? Now it's locked up. And this is how you do the ND filter. I cannot wait, guys, to show you how the ND filter looks like. Just in case, if you wanna see, I'm just gonna try, but In another video, I'm gonna show you how these two ND filter looks like with just the camera itself and the ND filter. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks like. But this is on the ND filter goes in, and I hope you come back soon. Bye.